How to connect mouse to Honor Pad 9. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to connect a mouse to your Honor Pad 9. Whether you're using a Bluetooth mouse or a USB mouse with an adapter, I'll guide you step by step so you can use your tablet like a real desktop. Let's get started. Step 1. Bluetooth mouse. Turn on the Bluetooth and activate pairing mode. Start by turning on Bluetooth mouse and make sure it's in pairing mode. Usually, this involves holding a button until a light starts blinking. Step 2. Open Bluetooth settings on the tablet. On your Honor Pad 9, swipe down from the top and tap the gear icon to open settings. Go to Bluetooth and make sure it's turned on. Step 3. Pair the mouse. Wait for the mouse to appear in the list of devices. Tap its name to pair. Once connected, a pointer will show up in the screen, just like in a computer. Part 2. Wire or USB receiver mouse with OTG. Step 1. Get a USB-C to USB-A OTG adapter. If you're using a wired mouse or one with USB dongle, you need a USB-C to USB-A OTG adapter like this one. Step 2. Plug in the adapter. Connect the adapter to your Honor Pad 9's USB-C port. Then connect the mouse. Plug in the mouse or receiver. The tablet will recognize instantly and you will see the pointer appear on the screen. Optional settings. If you want to adjust pointer speed or behavior, go to Settings, Accessibility, Pointer Settings, and make the change you need. And that's it. This was the tutorial on how to connect a mouse to your Honor Pad 9. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next time.